What's up, guys? We are at Jim Hogg Campground in Georgetown, Texas. I'm going to give you a quick review of our site number 37 that we are staying at for a week right on Georgetown Lake. Okay, friends, this is site number 37. As you can see, it is fully paved. It is sitting directly on the lake, which is absolutely amazing because we can see sunrise and sunset here. We have only water and electric. There is no sewer, so that is something to keep in mind. We are staying for a week. Hopefully we will be fine, not needing to dump. All sites here have a covered picnic table, a little pavilion area with a paved pad, a fire pit. It also comes with a barbecue grill, but we did bring our Blackstone. We are here right after Christmas and it is pretty busy. Usually it's pretty warm down here. Today it's in the 50s. Here is the view from the back side of our camper and camp spot. You can see the power and water over there on the other side of the camper. Fire pit is right here next to the little pavilion, which is really nice. There is no shade in this spot, which would definitely be an issue in the summertime because it gets so hot down here. But right now, 50 degrees, we don't really need any shade. One downside I would say, we're really close to an airport, so there are planes and helicopters flying across the lake nonstop. I actually hear one now. So that could be an issue if you are a light sleeper or like to nap during the day. Hasn't really been a problem for us so far. And you can see the Georgetown Lake Dam right over there across from our site. We're going to try to go check that out at some point during our trip. So yeah, this is a review tour of site 37 at Jim Hogg Campground in Georgetown, Texas, right on Georgetown Lake. We would highly recommend. We hope you get to check it out.